River, you want to feed the pigs while I'm here?
Yeah.
Show me that you know how to do it.
Ready, set, go. Put that really carefully. I like it. What's this color?
Why don't you grab one for a bite, okay? Whichever one you want. There you go. You put the tomatoes in your lunchbox. Just put it right in there. You know, when I was a kid, you know, it's just the beginning, I think, of like everything getting packaged into like these single serving packages for kids. Juice packs and snack packs and Lunchables, and my siblings really, really wanted that stuff. I mean, we'd see it and we'd get so excited about getting this, what was really just junk. And, you know, we'd hassle our mother for it. And since she was a single mom, you know, she needed stuff easy anyway. And, you know, I think putting a lot of energy into resisting that. I think she probably, you know, bent under the pressure. We certainly, you know, had that part of our lunch. I love watching our kids request to go get snacks for their lunch at the farm. You know, to go get their favorite vegetable. It's like pretty amazing. It's certainly not how I was when I was a kid. You know, I certainly was involved in too much junk food. And be able to give them that gift that, you know, to love these vegetables is, it really is amazing.